Hi, I'm Scott, founder of Pinnacle Tech Projects, back at Maple in Maine. Remember Dana's Sunday night? Typing the same customer into the spreadsheet, then the calendar, then the CRM. Today we kill that for good. One booking form, and the same details land in all three systems at once. No one retypes a thing. Let's build it. Here's the tax nobody puts on an invoice. A job comes in, and the same 5 facts. Name, email, service, address, date get rekeyed into the job tracker, then the calendar, then the customer record. Every job, by hand, 3 times. It's mind-numbing, it's slow, and it's exactly where the typos and the double bookings creep in. It starts with one form. This is n8n's built-in form trigger, a real page you put on your website. 5 fields: the customer name, their email, the service, the address, and the visit date. The customer fills it once. That single submission is the only typing anyone does in this entire process. Next, we shape the record once, so every system gets it identically. Each form field becomes a clean property. The name, the email, the service, the address, the date, and we stamp on a source, a status of scheduled, and the time it came in. Build the record one time, and you never have to massage it again at each destination. Destination 1, the job tracker. This Google Sheets node appends a new row, and we let it auto-map. Each field drops into the matching column by name. No manual wiring. The job shows up in your spreadsheet exactly as if you typed it, except you didn't, and you never will again. Destination 2, the calendar. The same record creates the event. The visit date becomes the start time. The service and customer name become the title, and the job address becomes the location. Your schedule fills itself, and the crew knows exactly where to be and when. Destination 3, the CRM. The same record drops in as a new row, name, email, service, source, a status of scheduled, and a note with the address and date. One form submission, and the spreadsheet, the calendar, and the CRM are all updated, all in agreement, all without a single copy-paste. That's the whole idea. Type it once, and it shows up everywhere. The workflow is free below. Import it. Point each node at your own sheet, calendar, and CRM, and Dana gets her Sunday nights back. Next episode, bookings that run themselves, start to finish. Grab the workflow and follow along.